Let's talk about the latest launched ASUS smartphone ROG Phone 8. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 88.2% screen to body ratio, approximately 388 ppi. Pixel density, 2500 nits. Peak brightness, 165 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixels Sony IMX890 OIS main camera, along with 32 megapixel telephoto camera, and with 13 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ROG UI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 76.8 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 225 grams, and the color options Rebel Gray, Phantom Black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 65 watt fast charging and 30 watt in India, 15 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IP68 dust and water resistant, pressure sensitive zones, gaming triggers, illuminated RGB logo on the back. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 has been priced starts for 16 GB plus 256 GB around $1,099 and 91,999 Indian rupees, and 309,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ASUS ROG Phone 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.